Here we introduce our Gayatri English Medium School, Moshi, Pune, affiliated to CBSE 1130818. That is our affiliation number. It's a beautiful place where you can see that the children are nurturing. We do have our mission and vision for our school, which create a global citizen in our school. We will go ahead and see that what are the infrastructure of school. You can see that the building, this is a bird eye view of the school, where which you can see the building, beautiful infrastructure with the boundary wall. You can see that school building, and that you can see that lush green atmosphere around the school. So this is what I wanted to tell you about a Gayatri English Medium School, which is at Moshi, Pune Nashik Highway. I have already given you the location and everything related to this, so you can locate our school and come to our school to see the infrastructure. Can you see that there is the small children who can play on that, slidings are there, and you can see the kids who can play there when it is normal school. Because of COVID-19, our school is closed for the children. However, the school is physically available and you can come and see our school. Beautiful atmosphere. Can you see again the lush ground, trees around the school, which makes the atmosphere more clean and nice. Our cameraman will take you to the complete location, the bird eye view, which we have been captured through the drone camera. Now we came back to ground. As COVID-19, the lockdown time, our children are not coming. However, you can have the look of our school ground, which is well established. We do have generator which will give the backup for our kids. This toilet is for outside people to utilize. You can see the wall now, the closer look of the wall. It has been beautified with different plants. We have kept some specimen photocopies on the wall to make it understand that what are the activities happens in Gayatri School. Our teachers are well qualified. They are nurturing our kids. So this wall will take you to the front side now, and we will go ahead with the basketball ground plus the playing area which is there for small children. Beautiful place. Now if you see that the wall, the compound wall, this is our basketball ground. We are showing you the compound wall now. I'm missing our children, on this ground. It used to be really beautiful. We wanted to come back our kids in the school as early as possible. I hope COVID-19 situation in Pune will be better soon. You can see that this is entrance gate. We are showing you in and outside of a compound wall, so you will have the idea how the school is well established. Bird eye view of Gayatri English Medium School, where you can see that the buses are also parked. They are waiting for the children to come into the school. Wow, it's so exciting. I can see some cars are moving through. That is our internal road for Gandharva Nagari. Secured gate with the guards. Because of COVID-19, he check our temperature before we could come inside. Anyone who comes inside, the serene atmosphere in the school. As you know that Pune is having rain continuously. We are going towards the entrance of the school. Entrance staircase. Here is a vision and mission of Gayatri English Medium School has been. This is our office. My office. Where do you see that lots of trophies children has on in a different activities? Good morning everyone. Myself Sangeeta Gajpani, Principal of Gayatri English Medium School, Moshipani. I would like to welcome you for this session to introduce about our schools. We are affiliated in 2018. The affiliation number for CBSE is 1130818. Our students capacity for all the classes, we have 17 sections, in that 500 plus capacity of kids. We do have 35 teachers, in that PGT 6, PRT 13 and PGT 6 teachers are there. Apart from these teachers, we do have one counselor, we have wellness teacher, we have physical instructor which is there in our school, and we have the counselor itself. Okay, with these capacity of different staff, we have all equipped infrastructure facility. In that we do have different laboratories, labs. Computer lab is well equipped with internet facility. We do have maths lab. In that maths lab there are different kind of equipments and apparatus we have kept for the children to get into the knowledge. We do have science lab, the separate science lab for chemistry, biology and physics. These three labs with all the instruments and capacity of all the facility which is water and fire into that. We do have fire certificates, we do have land certificates and all the details, and library now. The library has total number of titles 2565. In that there are different types of journal which comes to our school. There are 2 different types of journal. Total magazines in our library is 20. We do have different kind of newspaper for the children to get updated knowledge. There are Marathi newspaper, Hindi newspaper and English newspaper. As per the regional language we have made that. Library total is 1319 square meter. Total reading area is 733 square meter. These do have art room where the students get explored with the arts activities and creations. We do have art teacher for that. And this is what about our school. Thank you. Have a nice day. Here we do see the physics lab. We do have separate labs. Lab safety rules which is placed. There are different instruments. Chart which is self-explanatory. Different apparatus has been displayed. Voltmeter, galvanometer, stopwatch, pendulum, prisms, the record for physics lab is well maintained as per the CBSE rule. It's given by CBSE. These records from 8, 9, 10 standard practicals. We do have biology lab, microscope. There are different charts placed on the boards and on the wall, which are self-explanatory. You can see the different worlds through the microscope. The human skeleton. To understand bone structure, there are different specimens which has been placed in our school. You can see that. Chemicals which are required for a biology lab. Conical flask specimen, again you can see that. These charts are self-explanatory. (3D) models of different organs of human. We do have biology lab in charge who takes care of each and every practical and their attendance, record maintenance. Chemistry lab is separate from the biology lab. You can see that. Well established with all the facility available for chemistry lab. We do have fire burners which are connected to outside piping cylinders. Chemicals, basins to be used for chemistry lab. Chemistry lab in charge is there. He takes care of everything. He is a science teacher. You can see that there is smart board into our chemistry lab also, whereas teacher can go ahead with updated knowledge to them when they are delivering the practicals into chemistry. The scientific mind is prepared into chemistry lab. There are charts displayed, different chemicals with labeled their details. You can see the rules and regulations and instruction which supposed to be utilized into the chemistry lab. Weighing scale. You can see that the chemicals which comes to our school, which has been jotted down into the register, the experiments which we go ahead with it, this handbook for it. Let's go to the playing area. You can see the swing where the primary section children enjoy this. Different activities which will help them to go ahead with the physical development and good health. Beautiful sliding we do have for the primary section kids. I was talking to you about the small children area where they play and they enjoy. I believe here they have lots of memories. With their small other kids they play. Oh, lovely. I'm missing them. Isn't it? It has been beautified with all the indoor and outdoor plants. You can see the basketball area now clearly. Because of lockdown, again I should say that the children are missing here. Physical education trainer, which we have it in our school. You can see that the Malcolm activities, we go ahead to make our children into more concentration and more flexibility. We are going to library now. You can see the laws of library science. Beautiful books arranged into the different racks. There are different journals, periodicals. More than 2,000 books are available in our school. We do have a reading area for our children. We'll go to that reading area after the inspection of the books in the library. You can see our librarian is taking care of everything. The periodicals, newspaper, books, their records, they're issuing everything we have updated as per CBSE rules. As it says in Marathi, Vachal tar Vachal. So we need to read for our life, I believe so. And this library will encourage to make you read books and enhance your knowledge of reading. You can see the reading hall. It's a huge, for the capacity of more than 50 students who can sit together and read. You can check it out. There are 2 stands of newspaper you can see there. We do have different newspaper coming to our school. Marathi, Hindi and English. These are the records which we maintain for all journals, books, issuing details. Our librarian who keeps updated everything. Let's go to the maths lab now. You can see that in the maths lab there are lots of equipment which has been placed. Geometrical box. This math lab will help our children to go ahead with more understanding of mathematical concept, specifically geometrically concepts. It's more colorful and more attractive for the kids. A maths lab in charge, maths teacher of 7th standard. She's sitting there. Every entry whenever which class comes to this maths lab to utilize any material, it has been jotted down to the register and maintained the record as per the rules given by CBSE. Let's go to the computer lab. Well-equipped computer lab with internet facility available. We do have maths lab. We do have IT lab, that is a computer lab. We do have IT in charge in our school who takes care of everything related to the computer and IT section. This is a bigger view of the computer lab to make it understand that how many computers and how the section has been taken care into. She is a IT in charge who takes care of the practicals of IT, keeping the record with updated details. Let's go to activity room now. We are having activity room with our teacher. He is really creative mind. You can check. These are the different articles which has been made with the clay. There are different objects which has been prepared by students with the help of our teacher. These articles has made last year in 2019-20 before March, before lockdown. These activities will relax kids, make them enjoy. Colorful clay, with that different objects made by our students. These are different thoughts which has been written. You can see that we do teach our children Sanskrit, so there are sayings in Sanskrit which has been displayed. Wow, beautiful. Bag made of newspaper out of waste. Let's go to the sick room. You can see the first aid box. We do have 2-bed sick room in our school with the in charge of that sick room. There is well-trained nurse which is available in a school. Because of COVID-19, students are not coming. If you notice that it is well established washroom, different taps are there. There are rules to wash the hands. It has been displayed. Here I am giving you the look how to, the water is available 24/7 in our school. This is a toilet for girls. We do have separate toilets for girls and boys as per the rules. You can see the basin. Indian toilets are available in our school. Toilet for boys. Wash basin. The urinals with the partitions. We do have fire extinguisher in our school for any emergency. You can see the extinguisher box. As we teach our children disaster management, that time it was used for these fire extinguisher. Let's go to the drinking water facility, where we do have purifier system into our third floor, and the drinking water available for everyone.
First, the kid and fully grown goats are not very different to look like. Okay, there is not much difference between a kitten and an adult cat. So these babies grow in their mother's tummy and are born from a mother's tummy too. These animals do not lay eggs. Okay, so the kid and a fully grown goat are not very different to look like. They are looking like mothers, as the way mother is looking like kids is also looks. There is not much difference between the kitten.
Now see student, administrative centers. You read about the Chola dynasty, chapter number 2. Let's travel in our imagination to Tanjavur, the capital of Cholas, and it was 1,000 years ago. The perennial river Kaveri flows near this beautiful town. One hears the bells of the Rajarajeshwara temple built by King Rajaraja Chola. The town people are all praise of its architect Rajaraja, who has proudly covered this name on the temple wall inside the massive Shivalinga. Beside the temple, there are places with the mandapas or the pavilions. Kings hold court in these mandapas, issuing orders to their subordinates. There are also barricades for the army. The town is bustling with the market selling grains, spices, clothes and jewelries also. Water supplies for the town comes from the walls and the tanks. The Salian weavers of the Tanjavur and the nearby town of the Urayu are busy producing clothes called flags to be used in the temple festivals. Fine cottons for the kings and the nobility, and the coarse cotton for the masses. Some distance away
with the sports room now. You can see that the chess, the children get training for a chess here. Carrom board. You can see our physical education trainer who is there for the children all the time available. You can see that hula hoops, basketball and everything. The playing rings has been placed here. The mashal for sports day activity, we do it. These are the indoor games, whereas we have seen earlier the basketball outside and Malkham also. We do have extra classroom for a proposed 11th standard. You can see that well established with sufficient light available for these classes. Every classroom has a smart board, well ventilated. Reception area for our school. These are the charts to make them understand Constitution of India. Admission inquiry desk, we have it in our school, which is most important, I believe. There is an admission in charge who takes care of admissions. This is what about our school. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.